play Animal Jam. Play Wild on phone, and I have an account so I can get any clothes, stocking, new accessories. Animal Jam, play Wild. CC 1526. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? Well, I knew that already, but it is a really good fact. Okay, you'll see that on YouTube. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, well, I don't know how to, like, I have an account, it's just, I don't know why it's not letting me do it. But I guess we don't have to. Let's go to a place. Game of Township. Let's go to... Where's my den? Touching my left, the upper hard shell of a turtle is called a carapace. Carapace? I don't know what he said. Welcome to your den. Tap the den customization button to customize your den. Oh. Oh. No, I don't know about anything. Yeah. Paul did it here. Let's put it here. Then 20 bill. Put that there. And beanbag. Put it come on. Let's go. There we go. Did I just... Meow. We do this again. There we go. So here's my den for right now. Huh? Into that. And I'll sit in the chair. I'll be back when I get this on the chair right. This looks weird. Oh, let's do it again. Come on. Doesn't that look a little weird? Look at that. I can't move it or else I'll just move him. So, it looks weird. Don't we? Okay, well, see how he sits on the beanbag. He's not sitting on it. Come on. Oh, you can do it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sitting on the beanbag. Yay! And on a pillow. See how he sits on a pillow. Sit. Da 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 da. Looks weird. Okay, well, let's go somewhere. Let's go on the water slide. Okay, do that again. Splash, splash, splash. Oh, it's cool. You go out. What is this? What are you doing? Oh, I'm doing. Yep, I am. Let me just change that. That's why I'm using Mobizian, I think so. New trainer is not very steady. Setting first, and gaming first, oh, look at that guy. Look at him. To the left. No. Overflow. Let's try overflow. See how this is. Did you know horses have been the most... Okay, easy. I'm gonna try actually. Oh, look at that. Why exactly did I do actually? Tell me why. Why did I do that? Oh, I actually do this anyway. Maybe. No more, this is going hard. What?